In this tutorial, we'll take a look at how to create hyperlinks in WordPress. There are two types of hyperlinks. One is an external link that links to a page not on your website, and the other is an internal link that links to existing content that you've already posted. Let's start with the external link and see how to create that in the editing window. I have a sentence that says use Google Scholar to locate academic articles on your public speaking topic. We want to create a link to Google Scholar. So you begin by highlighting those words, and there is an icon on your toolbar that looks like a link. It says insert link. Click that, and then it asks for the URL, the address. What I like to do is I like to copy and paste the address. So here's the page for Google Scholar. Come up here, copy the link, and then come back into WordPress and paste. And the reason I copy and paste links in this way is because sometimes links can be very long and confusing, and you can easily misspell, and then you'll get a broken link. It asks for the title of the link. Type in Google Scholar. And for external links, I like those links to open in a new tab or window. With most contemporary web browsers, it will open in a new tab, and that will leave the user on your website in the previous tab. Once you've done that, click Add Link. And that's how to create a link to an external source. But what about creating a link to something you've already created, a page or a post on your website? In this second sentence, we'll look at that kind of an example. The sentence says, if you want a larger editing space for composing your blog entry, then see the tutorial on using full screen editing mode in WordPress. And I'm going to highlight full screen editing mode. And again, we use the insert link icon on the toolbar. Click. And this time, instead of entering in the destination, we're going to link to existing content. And since I created a page earlier with a tutorial on full screen editing, I need to search for that document, which happens to be the first one in the list, and you just select that. It automatically puts in the URL, and it automatically fills in the title. And I'm going to deselect open in a new window, because this link will keep the user on the website, on my website. So we click Add Link, and you see there are two links have been created. We'll save the draft, and then we will preview the draft, preview post, and here is the first sentence. It says use Google Scholar, so when we click that, it should open in a new tab, and as you see, it opened in a new tab to Google Scholar. And then our second link should take us to the full screen editing post. And we click on that, and sure enough, it takes us to full screen editing in WordPress. And since this page is part of the site, it does not open in a new tab. So there you have it. It's two different types of links. The first, external, linking to a page not on your website. And the second example, an internal link linking to existing content. And it's that simple to create hyperlinks in your blog post.